Good morning, dear children. Today we will learn two capital cursive letters. One is O and one is Q. So, first we will learn how to write capital cursive O. We will start O under the red line and we will go up and start curving. Touch the red line, go down, touch the blue line. We will make an oval. Now, when we reach this point, we will not join this line where we started. We will go inside without touching the previous line and leave. Did you see what we do? We did not touch this line. See, while making the oval, we did not join it. So we went inside from here. Okay, just see once again. Start under the red line, start curving, make an oval, touch the blue line, make an oval. Now we will go inside. Okay, one more time. Once again, we will make an oval. Okay, just see. And go inside and leave. Is this clear what we did? Now what you are not supposed to do is, please do not join here and then go inside. Okay, do not join and then go inside. This is wrong. Do not leave a very big gap here. Okay, we have to go close to this point and then go inside. So this big gap is not correct. One more thing, if you start from the blue line, okay, this is not looking good. Coming down straight and then making like this, absolutely no. Once again, see how we write. I will tell you here only. We will start under the red line and start curving, touch the red line, make an oval, go up, but without touching the first line. We will go inside till here and leave. Now one more thing which normally children do is, when ma'am says start just under the line, they start from here and then this is wrong. See where ma'am started? Ma'am started just below the red line. So this is letter O. Now we will write letter Q. For letter Q, first we will write O. Okay, and now you will keep your pencil here on the blue line, where this oval is joining the blue line. Not here, not outside the oval. Where the oval joins the blue line, here touches the blue line. From here we will make a sad face. What I am trying to tell you is, if you see these two faces, this is the smiling face. So this is the smiling mouth and this is the sad face. Okay, now these two we are going to use here. First we will make the sad mouth, and then from here we will make the smiling mouth. Okay, so we will go up, come down, and go up again and leave. One more time. Make O. Now, where this curve is touching the blue line, we will keep our pencil there. Okay, we will not keep our pencil outside. If we keep our pencil outside, this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. We will keep our pencil, just see this point where it is touching the blue line. You can keep it a little above, never mind. First make a sad mouth and then make a smiling mouth. That's it. One more time. Sad and smile. Okay, now in this, one mistake I told you, do not start from here. Second mistake, please do not take it too high. Okay, this line will not go up so much, will not go so high. Okay, this is wrong. Flat one is also wrong. Now see this, do not go up so high, and this flat is also wrong. After this, please don't continue making the wave. This wave is wrong. And this tail should not be very long. Okay. Now see, this is the correct one. Up, down and up. That's it. Okay. So once again, we will write 2 times O and 2 times Q, because in our notebooks you are going to write like this. Go inside. Please do not make a fat oval or circle. Okay. See, it is just below. This is 2 times O, and so in your notebooks you will be asked to write like this: OO and QQ. Is that clear? Children, one mistake I forgot to tell you here. Please do not make a very fat Q, and do not make a pointed Q or pointed O from here. Do not make this pointed. Okay, make a curve, and this should be an oval. Okay, bye. Happy writing.